we are going to look at 3 common grammar mistakes that intermediate and even advanced English speakers make. So before we start, like, share, subscribe, do all those wonderful things that support me and help me. All right, let's look at number 1. The first common mistake. Let's look at this. In or over the last year, I didn't travel much. There's a mistake here. Correct. In over the last year, I haven't traveled much. Why? Well, when you use in or over the last year, over the last month, in the last week, you are still in it. So you want to use present perfect. For example, in the last month, I've started feeling more energetic. That's great. In the last month, I started to feel more energetic. There is a small mistake because when I say in the last month, I use present perfect. I can say last month I started feeling more energetic because that is in the past. But in the last month, I have started feeling more energetic. All right, so the basic rule, once again, if you use in the last year, in the last month, in the last week, use present perfect, not simple past. All right, the next common mistake. Here it is. She is one of the best students. She always works hardly in class. This is a mistake. Correct. She is one of the best students. She always works hard in class. Now, the adverb hardly means not often, rarely, very little, or sometimes barely. It does not mean with great effort. Hardly means not often. Hard as an adverb means with great effort. Let's look at an example. She hardly studied for the test. She didn't study much. She studied hard for the test. She put a lot of effort. All right, so remember, hardly does not mean with great effort. Hardly means rarely. If you want to say with great effort, use hard. She works hard. She studies hard. She plays the game hard. All right, the last mistake. This is the third one that's common. This student says, I haven't any time. This is strange. Correct is I don't have any time. We use I haven't, she hasn't when you have a verb after it. For example, I haven't studied, or I haven't seen that movie, or in the last year, I haven't traveled much. But when you have a noun after it, use I don't have, she doesn't have. For example, can I borrow $5? Sorry, I haven't any money. This is a mistake. Can I borrow $5? Sorry, I don't have any money. So remember, I haven't noun is strange. It is very old-fashioned. If you're going to have a noun after it, I don't have. She doesn't have. All right, everyone. I hope you learned something. This was a quick lesson. These were 3 common mistakes. Please continue supporting my channel. I always appreciate you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.